Hey guys, this is Evan with Detail King here. Very excited today to bring you this awesome new product by Jade, which is Jade Leather and Vinyl. We now have the ability to install the same great ceramic-based protection on the interior of the vehicle as we do on the exterior. And we put a lot of love in this product to ensure that it's not only as effective as our exterior coatings, but also safe as well. Jade Leather and Vinyl has the same ceramic-based ingredients as the exterior coating, but it's formulated to be less glossy and a little more flexible to be more suitable on surfaces like leather seats, steering wheels, gear shift levers, and other parts that move quite frequently. On leather surfaces, this is also going to act as a semi-permanent sort of conditioner. Now you can still use a leather conditioner if you'd like, but frankly, you'll probably find that you just don't need it, as Jade Leather and Vinyl seals off the pores of the leather and prevents dirt and contaminants from getting into the leather and also locks in moisture. So this product can be expected to last about a year on average, but can last longer in optimal circumstances or if well maintained. It's also worth noting that some higher traffic areas, such as the driver's seat, will wear down a little quicker and may need reapplied more frequently. Maintenance is also very straightforward, and you can use the same interior cleaners and detailers that you're used to. So now that we understand how Jade Leather and Vinyl works, we're going to talk about the installation process. Now, the vehicle we have as a test subject today is very new. As a matter of fact, it has under 1,000 miles and is in mint condition. So we don't have a whole lot of cleanup or prep work to do before installing the coating. But just to be safe, we went around with our Refresh prep spray. This is the same prep spray we use on the exterior of the vehicle prior to a ceramic coating. The prep work is really that simple, guys. Once we have everything cleaned and wiped down with our Refresh, we are going to move right into the installation. But first, we obviously want to make sure we have our PPE, our personal protective equipment. You're going to want to wear a KN95 or a respirator, a full seal respirator, and gloves as well. We want to coat the interior surfaces of the vehicle. We don't want to coat our lungs or our hands. When you're working with Jade Leather and Vinyl, you want to be mindful about how large of an install area you're working on. Similar to the exterior of a vehicle, we recommend working in roughly a 2 foot by 2 foot section. The install process is also a little bit different than the exterior coating in that the flash time is slightly longer. We're going to want to wait at least 60 seconds, but we don't want to wait any longer than 3 minutes. In this instance, we're going to use a 2-minute timer as a good frame of reference to let us know when the coating should have penetrated the surface and is then ready to be wiped off. And after we wipe the product off thoroughly, that's it. That is the installation, guys. It's really that simple. You're going to want to let this coating cure for about 24 hours, similar to the exterior coatings, but realistically, it's going to be bonded within an hour. Now, this product is going to off-gas just like the exterior coatings during that curing process, and we'll have some ammonia gas byproduct. Now, this is going to be much more present during the actual installation phase than the curing phase, but you'll want to let the vehicle air out, especially if you're sensitive to those sorts of chemicals. It's also worth noting that Jade Leather and Vinyl has a UV additive, so you can use a UV flashlight to check your work, make sure you didn't miss any spots, and see that the product is evenly distributed. Hey guys, thanks for watching today. We hope you're just as excited about Jade Leather and Vinyl as we are. We look forward to seeing what you guys are installing it on. Tag us in social media, let us know what you're working with. And if you like this video, let us know what you'd like to see us cover in the next one. We're always looking for good new ideas for content on the next video, and we hope to see you there, guys. Have a good one.